506 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 9th August 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on August 9, 2020, 193 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 8,712. Total active cases in the state stands at 2,642. Total recovered cases stands at 5,995. Total 75 deaths are reported till August 9, 2020. 50 years male from Chorao, Tiswadi admitted at ESI COVID Hospital Marga with comorbid condition expired on 8th August 2020. 84 years female from New Wadam Vasco admitted at ESI COVID Hospital Marga with comorbid conditions expired on 9th August 2020. 77 years male from Barbat Talikau admitted at Goa Medical College Bambolim expired on 8th August 2020. Out of 3,474 samples tested, 1,788 are negative, 506 are positive, 1,180 reports awaited. At present, patients in isolation wards are 81. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 39. As per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 9th August 2020. Breakup of total 2,642 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center CSC Bicholim 29, CSC Sakre 76, CSC Pernam 54, CSC Valpai 104, Urban Health Center USC Mapsa 97, USC Panji 95, Primary Health Center PSC Aldona 20, PSC Betki 20, PSC Kandolim 71, PSC Kansarvarnam 11, PSC Kurwai 56, PSC Kolim 69, PSC Chimpel 109, PSC Shuolim 21, PSC Porvorim 60, PSC Mayan 24, Travelers by Road Flight Train 6. South Goa Community Health Center CSC Kurchorem 49, CSC Kankona 24, Urban Health Center USC Margao 229, USC Vasco 395, Primary Health Center PSC Pali 60, PSC Kansalim 51, PSC Chinchinem 7, PSC Kortalim 291, PSC Kurtorim 67, PSC Lutolim 42, PSC Marsaim 39, PSC Kwapam 52, PSC Sangam 55, PSC Shirada 36, PSC Darvandara 95, PSC Ponda 172, PSC Navilim 56. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.